Colt, light him up. And today, the boys and I are going to be checking out something really, really cool. It is the Dolphin electric water gun. That's right, no pumping. This is just squeeze the trigger and go. It runs off battery power. It's large capacity, and there's a lot of cool stuff with this and even a secret feature. So let's go ahead and see what all you get. Then we're going to show you how to put it together, and then we're going to do some testing. So let's get to it. All right, so first of all, you're going to get the gun itself, large reservoir built in. We're going to show you how to use it in just a second. Then you're going to get this, which is a muzzle extension. It just pops on just like that. You get this top secret adapter. We're going to show you what this is for. You also get your battery, a charger, and a screwdriver for installing your battery. And the battery does go in the end right here. So let's go ahead. We're going to get this thing set up. That way we can test it.
All right, well, now we have where you can put the battery. So you have the cap cover, which this will just slide off, and then you can get your battery. You unplug it, or you plug it in right here. Once it's plugged in, you can push it inside, push it, slide it on, and screwdriver. Go ahead, use your screwdriver to screw it inside of the blaster. And there you have it. Now we're going to fill it up. You open this cap here on the top. You just run it over a hose, a sink, or whatever you have that's easy to fill this up.
It does have the extra wide mouth on there for fast filling. That way you can get back in the battle much, much sooner.
Now that you have the blaster filled up, you can either close this tab, or we can show you this secret, which requires this yellow adapter, which you just screw onto the top here. Then you can get a 20-ounce water bottle or bottle itself. Take the cap off. Then easiest way to do this would probably hold it to the side or fill it up upside down. You just tighten it on here. And there you have your extra ammunition.
That's right, you just doubled up your water supply. And you can also use 2-liter bottles, 3-liter bottles, whatever a normal Coke bottle top is. We use the water bottle for this one, but most of your soda bottles will work. Now it's time
to test it.
And as you can see, it's safe for all ages. Polti loves water guns. And he's pretty good at it too. Good job, dude. Okay, so now we're going to see how far it will shoot. From the driveway right here all the way to the palm tree is about 30 feet. Go ahead, let's see. Yep, it's going to make it all the way. So 30-foot range. As you can tell, it's rapid fire. It shoots quite quickly. And a great little summertime toy. You got him. It has extra capacity. It's easy to fill. It's got a rechargeable battery. And it could be that perfect water gun for the summertime season. We hope this video helps. And thanks for watching.